Hello friends, I Ishan Guleria. Today I am showing you some apps for your Android which will make it useful. First is Parallel Space. Parallel Space is a very small size application. As you can see the name Parallel Space. Yes, Parallel Space. It is a simple application which makes the copy of the applications which are installed on your own device, like clone applications. As you can see, I have made some of the clone copies of Instagram, Clash of Clans, and Paytm, and now I'm running my Clash of Clans, which I have just created now. It doesn't download the app, but it's just create a new application for you. As you can see, it's working. Everything is just normal. Nothing is changed. You can see the next app is Google. Google is a searching engine app which is very useful for Android devices. As you can see, the interface of the Google is very easy. As you can search for anything, you can download songs, movies, etc. As you can also add interesting things and make it more useful. The next app is Primo. Primo is also useful app. It's very easy to use. The Primo is an application which helps you to get a US number, United States, yes, plus one number for 14 days. Free calling all over India in some countries and free 200 minutes. As you can see, I have created an account. You can see guys, I have even called my friends, and you have to just do some of the rewards so that you can get some points for your account. And I have called many of my friends. As you can see, it's very easy, very easy to use it. Yes guys, very easy. The next app is Gboard. Gboard is also an application made by Google or launched by Google. It is an application which is very useful. As you can see that if I have to write capital words, I have to just click and drag to the word which I need to capital, and if I need a number, I have to just click on that and just again swipe to the drag to the number, and it will come type. And it is very useful app as you can customize it, increase, decrease vibration, and you can also send some of the meanings to other people on WhatsApp and other applications. The next app is Google Now Launcher. Google Now Launcher is also launched by Google. It's not an application, it is a launcher which is very useful for Android devices, as it makes you very easy to use. If you right side, you can open left, hit down. If you have the left pass, hit up and down, you can open Google, everything. You can add interest, and it also adds some of the layers for your device so that you can easily access to the application stored in your device. Yes, it is very easy to do this. So these are some of the applications for your Android device. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.